Hi, I'm Jane. I'm a grad student at Boise State University. This tutorial will show you how to use SlideStory. SlideStory.com is a place where you can upload your photos or your picture files and then narrate and comment on each of the photos. It's 100% free, it's very easy to use, and once you're done you will have a narrated picture slideshow which they call SlideStory. So let's get started and I will show you how to use it. So let's go ahead and go to the site, open up a browser, and the address www.slidestory, all one word, .com. This is the home page, and there's some different examples uploaded on the site. Tell a story, share your photos, narrate in your own voice. So it's just that easy. So what you need to do first is go down to this link where it says download the SlideStory publisher. So you need to download this. There is no adware or spyware because I have downloaded it, so don't worry. And then go to the bottom and click download the Windows publisher. Go ahead and hit run. I've already done this, so I will not do it again. It doesn't take very long. So once you are done that, go back to the home page and go to this link, join today. Basically the same as you would do to join any site. Enter username, email address, password, and so on. And then go to the bottom, I agree, and then click sign up. Very easy. So I've done this already. So I'm going to go ahead and log in. Great. So once you've logged in, you will come to your own profile page. And as you can see, your home URL is slidestory.com and then your username. So it's very easy to share with family, friends. Great to use in a classroom, sharing with other students and the teacher. So if at any point you get lost in the site, go to the top right corner and just click your username. It will take you back to this page. So I will show you how I used it in my classroom. I wanted my students to record their final draft of their essay, and I wanted them to present it as a picture file and record their voice. So I will show you an example of what I did. In class, we worked on an essay with 3 paragraphs, and then we have a title page. So this SlideStory can only upload photo files. So what I did is I had my students transfer their Word document on from their essay onto a PowerPoint. So let's go ahead and I'll show you the example of this. So I already started and I titled this essay number 1, Descriptive Essay of a Scene. So then this is my title for my essay, and then I put my name. So if we just go back, as I said, my essay was 3 paragraphs, so I want each slide to be a paragraph. Now, if you look, I have 4 slides. The reason being is the body of the paragraph was too long to fit on to 1 slide. Now, another hint that I ran into when I was recording, each slide you can only record up to 60 seconds. This is very important because you don't want to put much text onto 1 slide. So just warn students not to put too much text on 1 slide because you can only record your voice up to 60 seconds. So good thing I tried it. Alright, so what you do is when you're finished transferring your essay or whatever Word text file you have onto a PowerPoint, go up to File, Save As, and then go down to Other Formats. Now go to Save As Type, and then you are going to save it as a JPEG. Because SlideStory only allows you to upload picture files, this is why we are transferring to a JPEG. And then go ahead and click Save. Now, do you want to export every slide in this presentation or only the current slide? Hit every slide. Great, and there we go. So let's look to see if it worked. Here we go. It's all in one folder, and as you notice, each picture is a JPEG format. So now we're ready to go ahead and upload these picture files onto SlideShow. Now what we will do is open our publisher that we downloaded earlier. Go to the Start menu, All Programs, and it should be one of the near the end, SlideStory Publisher. And here we go. This is the basic user interface. And it's very simple. There's not a lot of bells and whistles. That's one of the reasons why I chose it, because I thought it was simple enough for students to use and for myself. So what you want to do is go to Add, and you can individually add photos, which takes time, so I like to do things quick. So I'm just going to open my folder with my pictures on them, and then just drag and drop them. So I'm going to highlight the first slide, Shift, highlight the last slide, and then just drag them into this box up here. Here we go. Now they are out of order, so just drag and drop them wherever you need to put them in the correct order. It's very easy. All right, now what we're going to do is go ahead and start recording your voice. And you can read right from here if you need to use another format, because if you can't read this, go ahead, but I'll show you the first one of an example. So at the bottom you will see the record button, the playback button, and then the stop button. Each of these will change the slides, and then it says the number 3 of 5. So I will do the first one and go ahead and click record. Essay number 1, Descriptive Essay of a Scene. My Teaching Experience in St. Martin by Jane Crawford. Alright, so I just hit the stop button after, and that is all. Once you're done, just go to the next slide. Click it. Now, like I said before, each slide, maximum 60 seconds. So you don't want to have a rushed narration. I don't think that's a good idea. So you may want to make your slides with less text on each slide. So just keep that in mind, and as you're producing these. So now what you want to do is, once you are done all 5 of those slides, you will go to, you can preview it. Essay number 1, Descriptive Essay of a Scene. My Teaching Experience in St. Martin by Jane Crawford. And then it allows you to click fast forward or rewind on each slide. So that is the final product. It's that simple. And it's a great way for students to practice recording their voice. And yeah, it's very simple. So publish it. You go to this button up here. Now, it will not let you publish it until you have these things added: the SlideStory title, description, category, and tag. And then it also says slide 2, 3, 4, and 5 are missing audio. So it won't let you publish it until you do that. So let's go ahead and I'll fill in the information here. Just click OK. So this is the SlideStory information. All of these slides are called a SlideStory. Slide information, the individual slide, you don't have to add any information. If you want, just click Edit. You can give it a title if you want, but it's not necessary. It is necessary to give the SlideStory information. So hit Edit, choose Category. These are preset categories from the website, so mine is Education. Just hit Finish. Title, you can title it however you want. I will say My Teaching Experience in St. Martin. Description, a descriptive essay, and tags. Descriptive essay. Okay. All right, now if we hit Publish Now, SlideStory tag is required. All right, so I have to go back. I thought, oh, here we go. Descriptive essay, and I forgot to hit Add Tag. There we go. And the only thing that is missing should be just my narration. Publish, right. So I will go ahead and show you my other final version that I finished, and you can have a look at that. So once it's finished publishing, it will take you back to your profile page, and it will have right here, descriptive essay of the scene. Here is your project completed. Click this link, and then it says watch this SlideStory. You can embed this into a website, so that's kind of neat. So let's click this and see what we get. There we go.
Essay number 1, descriptive essay. When I was 23 years old, I lived...
That's the final product.
This picture was taken
So that's it. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. I hope you go ahead and try SlideStory.com, and thanks for listening. Bye.